Today, the angels bring essential messages for you. You and someone very special are going through a remarkable phase of transformation, both internally and externally. It might be that something has recently happened that led you to release powerful energy, guided by deeply rooted intentions in this special connection. Perhaps your attention is scattered now, but it's important to recognize that both of you have projected your hopes and desires to the universe, linked to this relationship. The most incredible thing is that these intentions seem to have intertwined in an extraordinary way, as if both of you made the same requests or sought the same answers and results. You are experiencing a moment of intense reciprocity, fostering a mutual feeling of affection and connection. The fascinating aspect of this phase of your life is that while you have united intentions to strengthen this connection, the real focus transcends the mere relationship of two, encompassing the individual journeys each of you is undertaking. It's possible that you have recently dedicated yourselves to exploring ways to improve, seeking personal alignment to cultivate a connection that resonates at a higher frequency. The emphasis undoubtedly falls on a love that vibrates at a higher octave, where emotions and feelings are elevated to a level of greater purity and intensity. However, what really stands out in this process is the recognition that you are not alone in this quest. The person who occupies your thoughts, the one who seems to be in tune with your aspirations and dreams, is also on a parallel path in search of the same ideal. This journey may seem synchronized, almost as if a higher force is orchestrating these movements in the background, bringing to light a series of events and synchronicities that you may not yet fully perceive. This simultaneous alignment suggests that while you invest in your personal growth and strive to elevate your own vibration, there is a corresponding echo in their life as well. Together, even on separate paths, you are building the foundations for a relationship that not only survives but thrives in truth and emotional clarity. This is a dance of evolution where individual growth nourishes and enriches the union, indicating that many transformations are occurring behind the scenes, shaping the future in ways that you may not yet fully understand. You and the person in your heart are currently in a phase of extreme intentionality, where both of you are actively manifesting your deepest desires, casting them to the universe with conviction and hope. This powerful intention that you share has gained significant momentum recently, a sign that something greater is in motion, propelling your aspirations forward at an accelerated pace. It is important to recognize that there is a distinct dynamic at play between the physical, what you can see and touch, and the spiritual, which transcends common perception. In the physical world, circumstances may present themselves in a way that does not always reflect what is happening beyond it. There is a higher energy in action, a force that operates independently of outward appearances and is diligently working to align spiritual realities with the physical. This message serves as a powerful validation that your intentions are aligned with those of the universe, and more specifically, with those of this person who occupies your thoughts. This person for whom you have hopes and desires is also, in turn, seeking a connection with you. This recognition should come to you as a clear light, especially because you have noticed a significant transformation in your own attitude and energy. Recently, you may have felt an increase in enthusiasm and a certain anxiety that are indicative of something important unfolding. At this moment, there is something distinct happening behind the scenes, something that is not just a repetition of past cycles, but a palpable evolution of circumstances. You have noticed a pattern, a code, and now with this key in hand, you and this special person are on the threshold of rediscovering your paths in a new and promising way. What is happening now in your life is more than just a simple alignment of events. It is a convergence of energies, a synchronization of intentions that goes beyond what the eyes can see. Every thought, every desire cast to the universe is being heard and answered in ways that may seem subtle but carry significant depth. This person, who holds such a special place in your heart, is feeling the same call, the same need to connect on a deeper and more authentic level. You should allow yourself to feel the magnitude of this validation. Allow yourself to recognize that all your intentions, all your prayers and meditations are creating a resonance that echoes through time and space, touching the heart of this special person. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances, creating opportunities, and removing obstacles so that this reunion happens in a harmonious and enriching way. There is a unique beauty in how this energy is manifesting. Every change in your attitude, every small action taken with love and pure intention, is contributing to this great picture that the universe is painting. Your journey, although it may seem lonely at times, is deeply interconnected with that of this person. Every step you take towards your own growth and enlightenment is indeed bringing you closer, drawing a shared path where both can flourish together. Deep down in your heart, you know that this anxiety you feel is a preparation for something greater. It is the anticipation of a bright future, a future where your souls meet in perfect harmony. The universe is sending signs, small confirmations that you are on the right path. These signs may come in the form of dreams, coincidences, or that unmistakable feeling that something is about to change for the better. The transformation you are experiencing is not only internal, but also reflected in the world around you. As you become more aware of your own emotions and desires, you are becoming a magnet for everything that resonates with this new vibration. And this special person, this soul that shares the same dreams and hopes, is being drawn into your orbit in a way that seems almost magical. In the past, there may have been tension, an energy of distance between you, caused by an imbalance in your personal vibrations. This may have manifested a series of challenges and misunderstandings. However, both of you embarked on a personal transformation journey that involved manifesting, releasing, or purifying not only your intentions but also your own lives. This journey was not superficial. It was a deep introspection and re-evaluation of how you wish to live and connect in this new chapter of your lives. By investing this energy in personal development, you both became extremely clear and precise about your desires and intentions. This clarity brought new precision to your lives and energies, setting the stage for your paths to align once again. This realignment is not a coincidence but the result of conscious and intentional dedication to personal growth and manifesting a life that truly reflects who each of you desires to be. This phase of introspection has allowed you both to identify and release old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you. You have looked deeply within yourselves, facing fears and insecurities, and emerged with a renewed and strengthened vision. The energy of distance that once existed has been replaced by an energy of reconciliation and mutual understanding. Each of you, by working individually, has begun to vibrate at a higher frequency, attracting into your lives everything that is in harmony with this new state of being. You have reached a significant milestone in your spiritual journeys, unlocking deep and divine aspects of your existences. There is now an elevated, almost palpable energy weaving its presence through the connection you share. Even though at the moment you may not have a clear or complete view of each other's individual experiences, it is crucial to understand that what happens in the spiritual world can be substantially different from manifestations in the physical plane. In this crucial phase, you are being subtly guided by your intuitions, instinctively following paths that feel right, even without a full understanding of the underlying reasons. It's as if your souls are in command, leading you through invisible currents and helping you find the necessary balance for growth and harmony. This spiritual guidance, though often silent and subtle, is powerful and constant, providing the confidence and security needed to move forward. In this alignment process, which is now in an active phase, you are beginning to overcome the disparities that may have caused distance between you in the past. Previously, these imbalances might have been significant obstacles, but now with the powerful spiritual and divine aspects you have unlocked, a new synergy is forming. This synergy is the result of both your dedication to personal development and the elevation of your individual vibrations. Currently, you are experiencing a powerful mutual attraction, a phenomenon that promises to intertwine your worlds anew under a fresh light and from a higher perspective. This attraction is not coincidental nor a mere reflection of past feelings. It is a clear indication that both of you are constantly and significantly in each other's thoughts, regardless of the physical distances or circumstances that separate you. The presence of each other in your thoughts is so frequent and penetrating that no matter what you do or where you go, the image and idea of each other are a constant. This mutual perception is a mirror reflecting each other's feelings and thoughts in the other's heart. If you have felt this intense connection and wondered why this person seems so present in your mind, or if you often find yourself lost in thoughts about him, this is the explanation you seek. The answer to this incessant prominence in your thoughts lies in this deep and undeniable connection occurring between you. This is a crucial moment where the attraction you feel is paving the way for one of the most intense and transformative experiences of love you can have in your life. This is an invitation for you to understand and accept that this connection is not unidirectional. If you are feeling this, it is very likely that he is also experiencing the same intensity of feelings and thoughts. This is a profound energetic exchange, where love, attraction, and mutual thought are combining to create a bond that is not only emotionally deep but also spiritually significant. No matter where you are or what you are doing, his presence in your thoughts is constant and unwavering. It seems almost impossible to distance yourself from this persistent connection, an unequivocal proof that he also feels unable to detach from you. The reality is that both of you are immersed in a shared story that transcends simple narratives of love or success. It is a complex plot of growth, learning, and unresolved challenges that continue to echo in your lives. This persistence of thought is not merely sentimental, it is a clear sign of a deep bond that demands attention and resolution. You have been placed on each other's paths for reasons that you may only now be beginning to fully understand. There are valuable lessons here, lessons that were perhaps ignored or postponed, but now present themselves with renewed urgency. Currently, there is a mutual commitment to face and overcome the barriers that previously erected between you. This is a critical period for both of you, a decisive moment where the possibility of transcending these barriers has become not only viable but essential. With a deeper understanding and emotional openness that perhaps did not exist before, you are more equipped to face what was left pending. You are now at a point of remarkable synchronicity, aware of the emotional burden and complications you carry, but equally aware of the need to overcome these issues to move forward. The openness and receptivity you share at present are significantly greater than at any previous moment, providing a solid foundation to face these pending issues head-on. It is fascinating to realize that both of you are aware of the barriers, obstacles, and lessons that still need to be faced. The process you are currently involved in is one of self-discovery and personal growth, marked by a commitment to honesty and self-care. You are learning to be honest with yourself, to become your own best friend, and to care for yourself in ways you may never have considered before. This is a path that begins and ends with you, firmly anchored in the principle of self-love. The importance of self-love cannot be overstated, as it is the foundation upon which everything else is built. If you truly love yourself, understand your own needs, and know how to treat yourself with compassion and respect, only then will you be equipped to share that love with someone else. Loving yourself first is not just a cliché, it is an essential condition for a healthy and mutually enriching relationship. Similarly, this person you are connected to is undergoing a parallel process. He also needs to embrace radical honesty with himself, undertake deep introspection, and learn to prioritize his own well-being. You are both engaged in a profound and significant process of self-love and self-care, learning to protect your own energies and nurture your spirits in the best possible ways. If in past times your paths seemed misaligned and your ways diverged, now, you have found a new harmony and are synchronized. The presence of the other in your lives has become so impactful and constant that it is impossible to ignore. This person, whose thoughts you effortlessly invade, keeps you not only in his mind but also deeply rooted in his heart and soul. This is a crucial point to understand, especially if you have ever wondered why you cannot expel this person from your thoughts, why he occupies so much space in your consciousness. The answer is clear and simple: he, like you, cannot emotionally or mentally distance himself. There is an intense and reciprocal connection that binds you on a very deep level. This reciprocal connection is a two-way street where energy flows freely between you, an energy that you both share and constantly nurture. You are essentially reflecting the same level of care, love, and attention to each other. It is a balanced and deeply intertwined exchange that reinforces the idea that you both are on the same path of emotional and spiritual growth. This person, with whom you share such a deep bond, is highly aware of their purpose in life, whether it is of a spiritual nature or a more earthly goal they long to achieve. At the moment, their dedication to this goal is intense, a true demonstration of focus and determination. However, it is essential to understand that this in no way diminishes the importance you hold in their life. On the contrary, you are a constant element, a recurring thought that accompanies them no matter how absorbed they are in their goals. The connection you two have is exceptionally rare, a type of bond that many seek but few truly find. It is a special relationship, rooted in mutual understanding and respect that transcends daily activities and personal aspirations. Regardless of external circumstances, whether in individual achievements or challenges, the value of what you share remains unchanged and deeply significant. If you see yourself reflected in this description, if this message resonates in your heart, take it as a clear sign. It is an affirmation that despite individual commitments and personal journeys each of you may be undertaking, the bond that exists between you is unshakable. Even in moments of intense dedication to projects or personal goals, the place you hold in their life is secure and valued. This understanding should serve as a source of comfort and motivation. It reiterates that love and connection do not require constant presence or uninterrupted interaction to be true and lasting. On the contrary, this type of connection survives and often strengthens in independence, in the ability of each to follow their own path while still remaining emotionally synchronized with the other. Therefore, if this message resonates with you, let it reaffirm the strength and uniqueness of your connection. Value it as a reminder that what you share is rare and precious, a treasure to be cultivated and respected, regardless of individual demands or personal focuses. It is a testament to the depth of your relationship and an indication that, in every sense, you are an integral and cherished part of this person's life. I invite you to let yourself be completely enveloped by these words, allowing them to penetrate deeply into your being, touching the core of your soul. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and goodness, desires the best for you and is committed to ensuring a positive outcome for your journey, regardless of the choices you make along the way. To truly ensure a positive outcome from this message and the blessings it carries, I encourage you to proclaim with conviction, "I deserve to be happy and to share happiness with everyone around me." By declaring these words, you claim not only the promise of happiness for yourself, but also commit to being a channel of positivity and kindness for others. As we continue on this journey together, remain open and attentive to the important messages that are yet to come. Stay tuned for the next video available to guide you further on your path of discovery and enlightenment. May God and the universe illuminate every step you take, filling your life with peace, love, and faith.